Guys, you're welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can earn 1000 GH Ghana cedi and more every month without doing anything. And this is very legit way of making money online without doing anything, without any capital. All what you need is to just your smartphone. You have an Android or your iPhone, then you're good to go. All what you have to do is that you just pick one of the things that you are interested in doing it most. You pick what you are interested in doing, and you are just going to create content around that thing. It can be tutorials, it can be entertainment, it can be a comedy, anything that you can do and do it well. We are going to use that to make money online from this strategy that I'm going to show you. Now with this method you can earn more than 1000 Ghana cedi every month. I have a small YouTube channel. This is a small YouTube channel, which I have less than 3k subscribers, but this YouTube channel earns me more than 1000 Ghana cedi every month. So you can think of other creators with a huge number of subscribers. You see that they will be making a lot of money. So for you to make money online, if you really want to make money online, just start with YouTube. Get a YouTube channel, start creating content. Make sure you create your own content, but before you can make money on YouTube, there are certain requirements that you need to follow before you'll be able to make a lot of money on YouTube. You must have 1k subscriber, that is 1000 subscribers, and then you must have 4000 public watch hours in the last 365 days. When you meet all these requirements, that you're good to go. This is the easiest way that you can monetize your YouTube channel, and by monetizing this YouTube channel you are going to earn a lot of money. I'm telling you, this is true, this is legit. You will be earning money every day, every night. Okay, so every second you are going to make money online from your content that you are creating. So guys, if you have any problem, if you have any issue, if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you have a YouTube channel and then you want to grow your channel, you want to get monetized, if you have any question concerning YouTube, just link me up. I'll help you to get all the necessary things that you need to do in order to get monetized. See you in the next video. Bye bye.